Hello, today I will be teaching you what to do with your clay beads. I will teach you how to make bracelets, rings, and earrings. First, bracelets. The first step is string. Get a string a little bit bigger than your wrist size. Second, tie a knot at the end of the string. Then bead on the clasp, then put on a jump ring and lobster. After this, you can bead your design on the string until you get to the string size you want. Step 4. Bead another clasp and tie a knot connecting it with the lobster. Then you have your bracelet. Making anklets and necklaces are the same way, except you just make them a little bit larger. Next, earrings. You have to have this piece to make them. First, put beads on the earrings. The amount of beads is up to you. Then you have your earrings. Rings are simple but super cute. The first step is to get a string a little bit bigger than your finger size. Step 2, close your bead container onto the string and put on the beads until the size you want. Step 3. Remove the string from the container carefully and tie the two ends together like this. Then you have your ring. And those are the many ways to use clay beads.